and I am in Pennsylvania. And the colors are awesome up here. Look at these trees. So far today, 300 miles. Almost 300 miles. And I'm hoping for do another 400. God, there's no way I can do 400. Maybe another 3. So that I have only 500 left for tomorrow. Yeah, I took the wrong. It wasn't wrong. I could get up there taking their road as well, but I think this one is better. It's definitely nicer. So I went down the wrong road about, I don't know, 10-15 miles. Because I don't have a map and on this little GPS, it's so hard to see anything on the screen. So I stop at the trackers stop thing, and had a lunch and checked the maps and decided it's worth to drive back 15 miles to this road and go up here. So that was about maybe 45-minute delay, but there's the lunch. But that was nice to have a break, get some coffee, good to go. It's so windy, I mean, it's crazy. It's blowing me all over the road. Right now it's not as open as before. I mean, it's still windy as hell. I don't know if you can see how I fight the wind, but the weather so far is just very good. It started raining last night, but it was over in a few minutes, so it wasn't too bad. Yesterday when I left, first hour or two, I'm thinking of what did I forget, and do I have everything? And it took me a while to get in the riding mode, relax and just enjoy it, thinking, oh, am I going the right way, and do I have everything, and blah blah blah. So the first few hours I didn't enjoy much, but today I'm totally in this riding, touring, hundreds of miles mode, so I just enjoy it. Don't think about anything, if I forgot or not, or what. Who cares? Just have fun and ride. I'm not rushing too much either. I'm trying to keep my speed, well, on my speedometer I'm keeping it like 78, between 75 and 80, which is like 5,000 RPM. But on my GPS, when the speedometer shows 77, my GPS shows like 74 or something like that. So there's like 3-4 mile difference. So I'm basically trying to keep it like 75 on the GPS. Oh, look at that. Nice. Wow, it's gorgeous up here. Very nice. I'm glad I took this road. Thank God my wife told me, she sent me an email, said, hey, you should take 81 all the way to 84, and it'll take you through a whole bunch of states. And she's right, and the place is nice as well up here. I programmed my GPS to go a different route, but I'm glad that I changed the route to this route. Still a lot of highway riding. Unfortunately, I don't have time to take smaller roads. It'd be nice to have like a month off and just keep on going on local small roads, but that's not the case, so a lot of highways. That would be nice if I can make it to Maine today. To Portland, Maine. That would be awesome, but there's no way. I think it's too far. And days are getting shorter too, so not the daylight after like 6:30. What the hell is this guy doing? Yeah, just stay in the left lane, buddy. We will go around you, no worries. My gas mileage went down as well with these winds, I guess. You know, I usually get the light, the gas light on around 180 miles, but the last time I had 160 miles and the light went on. And usually when the light comes on, it tells me I have another 35 or 39 miles to go. This time it came on at 160 and said, you have another 25 miles, so I guess that's all the way. At least that's what I'm hoping for. That there's no other things going on, like valves out of not adjusted properly, which I guess would cause worse gas mileage. Pay attention to the road. So quite windy. Alright guys, I'll pop the camera in another state or when the scenery gets nice again. But take care and don't forget, go ride your bikes.